I've already started.
Oh my god, all this you put it in. Okay. Anisha. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing really well. As you can tell, I am outside in a beautiful restaurant. I will take a montage for you guys. And today is super exciting because I am with two of my most favorite people. I will show you guys them. And as you could tell in the beginning, the camera woman wasn't, she was making me laugh. So yeah, we've come out and yeah, I'll show you all the things that we do and what all we order. So now I'm going to turn the camera around to you. Wait. What are you doing? Oh, okay. Oh, in the mirror. Yes. Ah. Nobody understands. Look at them, they're already fighting. And this female here, she bit me literally. I have pictures to prove. You're gonna insert a picture? Yes, I will definitely.
Yeah. Can you show me the bite mark now?
The bite mark now? It's not there. It's
I don't know, but there's like
you can't prove
that I bit you.
Yeah,
you
it looks
prove
like
that it's me.
I have a picture of your head.
Face.
Yeah, with your claw clip and everything.
My face is not there.
Your face is not there, but then it's fine.
It's fine. We know.
Okay. Yeah.
We're at Mamaish.
Yes.
It's a Palestinian restaurant, and we ordered like really good food that I'm excited about.
Yeah.
Kofta in tahina and something new.
What is tahina? Whatever. Okay. We don't know.
Yeah. And zaatar lemon chicken wings.
That sounds bomb actually.
Yeah, something different.
Very different.
So excited for that. We'll insert the clip of
all the food. Yes.
I'm just giving actions. I don't have anything else to say. I don't have utna bhi to say.
With food now. Look.
Bro, is that something from your...
what?
Is that something from your vein? What? Oh shit, it's a chili. Never mind. It's a freaking chili.
Yeah, I started.
Already.
Yeah.
I don't know how to apply it.
It's okay. What were you saying? What were you saying?
The Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha lipstick.
Yes. Please swatch it. Yes.
And I'll show you. Please don't believe this swatch. This is the actual swatch.
What is that swatch?
That's the swatch of your lips. So this is the swatch and this is how it looks on my lips.
Very pretty. Thanks. Please share the link with us in the description.
Sure. I got it from City Center.
Yes. Perfect. Oh my god. This is Nuha's. No, sure.
Nuha's lipstick that's specifically designed for her.
Huh.
You might want to know why. It's because it's measured in the car and it's...
Wait, it came out. We can see the color though.
Yeah, we can see the color.
Yeah.
I'll bring the color on my...
You'll bring the color on your hand?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's such a beautiful pretty
color. Yeah. I don't apply this one.
It looks nice on camera. It does.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. I like that one.
Oh, that's a lot. I like that shade more.
Which one, the other?
The first one. Which one?
It's like the makeup, and the other one is just like sun face. Yeah. Both are nice. I don't know which one.
Okay, on camera, this is like hardly visible. This one.
This is more like visible.
Yeah. Even in real life, this one looks better.
Yeah, and
yeah.
This one
That looks like a little more natural. They're the same formula, like same
different. This looks like natural,
yeah, like very light.
Fresh on. the first time I'm applying actual blush.
Looks good, I mean. Looks good.
Just like skin, not powdery.
Yeah.
So this is all that we tried. This is the one we tried, right?
The middle one, this one and the last one.
Okay. This one
Yeah.
was too bright and dark.
Do
So
you
I
like it?
tried blush for the first time. I was telling Athira ki I've never applied blush properly. I have the MAC powder one and she's like, no, go for the Benetint, like liquid or like what we just tried in the cream one. And I just sat for the session that you guys saw. This is my first time actually like applying full blown blush. Sorry. Yeah. So Athira's gonna give me a tutorial soon.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I moved the camera.
Audio will be heard. Okay, what's our next stop?
The next stop is here, but I want to
Here?
wait for that person. I want to
She's
help.
at Latafa.
Yeah.
What do you like at Latafa?
So many like Latafa perfumes are amazing. I actually ordered this. You don't have to record me. Thank you.
Bro, no.
It's cute.
Huh.
I ordered this, but kal milega.
Oh. Which one did you get? This exact one or the pink one?
What did we do?
We tried blush, as you can see. Itna. And we've tried perfumes.
Nuha is still inside the perfume place.
She found something.
What's this?
It's
Bro, Harry Potter inspired.
I know, Harry Potter inspired what?
She
Like eyeshadows and all.
Ooh. What do you want?
It's
Hufflepuff?
pigmented.
Gryffindor?
Pigmented.
Ravenclaw?
You remember when you bought the James Charles palette and all?
I still have it.
You have
Yeah,
it?
Morphe
Oh my
James
God.
Charles. In look at both, है ना?
Collab.
Yeah,
This, my hand
This
looks
Willy
like...
Wonka stuff. I have not seen this.
Oh, it's broken.
उसके ऊपर वाला ले लो. It's not broken.
It looks like.
Oh, it has rub, sniff and surprise.
Okay, do you need help?
I just focused on the rub, sniff and surprise.
Nice shades.
Yeah, nice shades. I like it. Golden ticket. Is that the surprise? Singham. Oh, sorry. Shagam. It's Shiglam.
You like gloss, no?
I love glosses. But not the color. The color is a little too red.
Bro, you know what? Mine's red. See, it will just be like this. It'll be very light and it'll be
okay.
nice. Yeah.
This is actually better than the cream
Exactly.
wala.
You have it.
This is why I... No.
No, she tested from there.
Singham. Singham cheap and lip tint.
Very pretty shades.
Yeah, this one's nice.
Yeah.
Makes my lips gloss a lot.
That's the whole point of lip gloss.
Same. It makes my lip gloss a lot. That's why I don't wear them.
Okay, so we're walking towards the food court right now. And we're having a weirdest conversation, okay? Weird for the internet, but we're talking about how
What we give to each other on each
wedding. Yeah.
So Rochelle wants me to select her lingerie. Just keep, just
Don't scream it.
on the record. She doesn't want Nuha to select.
Okay, only because I thought Athra would be more open to it, okay?
Let's not put this on video.
Why?
Okay, go on. I was telling you sorry. So
You're not even in frame, walk behind. Please. Huh. Oh my. This is just for us, it's okay. I'm not putting this lingerie stuff.
okay, then it's fine. So
Now mention me, no problem. Now mention me.
She's going. She's leaving us too early.
background music of people, children crying.
Children crying. Wow, the best sound, right? Okay, basically we were saying that she's leaving. The coffee machine went off exactly when we were trying. Anyway.
The coffee machine is crying. You don't have to put a background music.
Okay. That's why I was like on top of this. Why would I put background music? Anyway, see you. And this, I had fun today. A lot of fun.
I don't want to move.
See, I was telling her, can you just stay a little longer? But she has to go, unfortunately. Okay, bye. To the vlog. To the vlog.
Bye. I love vlogging.
Yeah, today she was so nice. Like, literally got confidence because of her. So thank you. I forgot her Polaroid in Nuha's bag. And
she asked me to switch it on.
we have no clue how to turn it on. Oh, okay. Okay, there she is.
Actually, I wanted to add to the order.
So I am back home now. I was just about to change into my comfy clothes and take off all these like 100 layers of blush. It literally feels like that. Obviously it was not that much, but I'm not used to it. I just wanted to come on here and say how much of a good time I had with them. Like the energy that my girlfriends give me, it's just something different, okay? There's nothing that can be compared to that kind of energy. So we make it a point to meet at least once a year when she comes over, and I try to soak up all of it because I know I don't get to see her as often. And it's just the cute little things that they do, you know? When we were about to film, like when I was about to start the video, like you guys saw in the intro, she was making me laugh. She's not only making me laugh, she does cute things too. Like my hair wasn't really setting properly and she's like, wait, let me fix that for you. And then she got up, like took the time, like about a minute or so, she set my hair and she's like, my girl needs to look cute, okay? And I'm like, oh, that's so nice. Like these kind of like small things that your girlfriends do for you, I miss all of this, okay? So yeah, overall I had such a lovely time with them. Both of them are such amazing human beings. Like I'm so thankful that they came into my life when they did. Like they are my high school friends, you guys. And we were discussing how long we've been friends for. So I said this thing that if we cross the 7-year mark, it says on the internet, I don't know if it's true, but they say that if you cross the 7-year mark, this friendship will last forever. And I told them that, and Athara's like, dude, we have been friends for 10 plus years. I think 10 or 10 plus years. And I was like, no way we've been friends for that long. It's like when you're having fun, time goes by so fast and you don't even realize. So yeah, that is it for today's vlog. I hope all of you enjoyed this and I will see you in the next one. Bye!